So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel and another video. You open an app on Windows 11 and instead of launching, you get a message saying you must install NET Desktop Runtime to run this application. If you've seen this error, don't start downloading random files from the internet. In fact, that's one of the worst things you can do. This error usually a simple fix and Microsoft already provides exactly the application needs. In this video, I'll show you what the error means, how to identify the correct version, and how to install the right runtime safely using Microsoft's official tools. First, let's understand what this message is actually saying. Many Windows applications are built using Microsoft's NET platform. Examples like Windows Forms, WPF, and other NET desktop frameworks. These applications don't always include every required component inside the installer. Instead, they rely on something called the NET Desktop Runtime. Think of it the runtime as the engine that allows application to run. Without the correct runtime installed, Windows can see the app but cannot start it properly. That's why you see this error message. The good news is that this usually isn't a damaged application, just most of the time it's simply a missing Microsoft component, and let's see how to install it. Before downloading anything, read the entire error message. This is extremely important. Most NET errors specify the exact version required. For example, 6, 8, or 9. A common mistake is installing a different version and expecting it to work. Many applications require a specific runtime version, so before you close the error window, note the version number wherever it says Desktop Runtime and any architecture information shown. Taking a screenshot also can help. Now go directly to Microsoft's official NET download page. Avoid random download sites, software repositories, forum attachments, and unofficial installers. Microsoft provides all supported NET runtime downloads directly. Now, when you reach the NET download page, you'll see several options. This is where many users get confused. You'll typically find SDK, ASP.NET Runtime, or Desktop Runtime. For most users watching this video, you want Desktop Runtime. Here's the difference. The runtime used to run existing Windows application and SDK used by developers to create applications. If you're simply trying to launch an app, choose Desktop Runtime. Installing the SDK isn't usually necessary and often downloads much more than you need. Next, choose the installer that matches your device. Most Windows 11 computers use Windows x64. However, some systems use ARM 64 or 86. If you're unsure, you can check it. Just download the matching Desktop Runtime installer and begin installation when you're done. Now run the installer and complete the setup. The installation process is usually quick. After installation finishes, close it and reopen the application. In many cases, the app launches immediately. If the app still refuses to open, restart Windows and test again. Some applications need a restart before recognizing newly installed runtime components. This is another area that confuses users. You might already have NET 6, 8, or 9 installed on the same PC. That's normal. Different applications can require different runtime versions. Installing NET 9 doesn't automatically replace NET 6 for every application. That's why reading the exact version from the error message is so important. Sometimes you simply need an additional runtime version rather than replacing an existing one. And if the problem continues, verify the version, reinstall the application, or contact the developer. Most NET Desktop Runtime errors can be fixed in just a few minutes once the correct version is installed. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if this video helped you out, and I will see you on the next one.